home today because there is so much of water here. See, this is a road which has turned into a river, and this Land Cruiser is submerged. If you can see, the people were pulled out from the sunroof. They have tied it with a rope now, and so there is no traffic movement here, and that is why I think they have closed the zigzag road. So you can see the traffic stranded here also, because there is so much of water. Again, there is no movement here. So it's just at a standstill here. And if you can see this Land Cruiser, it is submerged. They have tied it with a rope now, and the people were pulled out of the sunroof in this. ये हो रहा है यहाँ पे.